welcome to Pearly Crochet. My name is Hannah and I really want to show you guys my Wednesday Addams inspired crochet vest that I've just finished recently. I have to shout out the actual creator of this pattern that I used. Her name is Stephanie Tashi. I'll have her YouTube channel linked below. It's like she just has everything that you need in that video. But without further ado, I'll just explain my process of what I went through. So first thing, I had to pick up some yarn. I used the 4 Seasons Spot Saver in the 10 ply just from Spotlight. This is their white color. I didn't use white. I actually ended up going with a different color for my lighter color, which was cream. I wanted to show you guys because for me, like looking online at Spotlight, like obviously it's really important to go in and like view the colors and everything, but I was sort of in my planning process, I was more looking online to begin. And I couldn't really decide between the white and the cream online, so I wanted to show you guys the difference. This is what I have left over. I think I used 2 balls of each cream and black, but this is sort of the cream color. Hopefully that shows up nicely. And then this is the white, so it's quite different. But I just wanted to show you that because if you want more like a stark contrast with actual white and black, there's that option. But I did go for the cream and the black, which was, I don't know, it looked, to me, looked a lot nicer. With this pattern too, Stephanie explains like you can do just the black and the cream, black and white, or you can actually do like a multicolor of squares as well. It's a super easy pattern. Then my dark color, of course, was just the black. So I ended up using black and cream together. So I started by making 10 black squares, 10 cream squares, 1 of each color with the big triangles, 4 rectangles in cream, 4 rectangles in the black, and then 2 small triangles. Then I popped all the pieces together, laid them out in the checkerboard pattern. Again, Stephanie's video is really good at explaining measurements for different sizes and how to lay it all out. Then I started sewing it all together using the mattress stitch, and I have never used this stitch before, so I did have to look at some YouTube tutorials to teach me how to do it. And then I made 2 of the neckline, 2 of the trims for the arms, and then the waist trim as well in the black and the cream, black and cream. And then I stitched all that on and it was all done. That's what it looks like laid out. And then this is what it looks like tried on as well. So that was the process of me making the vest. I'm super happy with how it came out. Again, it was super easy to follow Stephanie's video. She did an incredible job with that and made it super easy. I took a long time to finish this. Unfortunately, it went into my whip pile, out of my whip pile, into my whip pile. So I did take about like a year to actually get this done. But if I was to sort of sit down and crochet non-stop with this, I think it probably would have taken me a week, maybe 2, with work as well going on. So a reasonably quick project. It is my first wearable thing that I've ever created crochet wise, so I was really super happy with me completing it. A couple of things I would change is sort of how pointy it is in the shoulders. I haven't yet washed and blocked this at all yet, but I'm thinking I will, just to see if that sort of gets a bit of the sort of what's happening at the shoulders to sort of relax down a little bit. But other than that, I'm super happy with it. And as I said, yeah, super easy pattern. That's about all. Please do check out Stephanie's video. She did an incredible job. Such an easy pattern to follow. I'm kind of tempted to make another one now with different colors, but I did want to start off with just the Wednesday Addams inspired way of doing it. Yeah, that is my process on how I made the vest and what I used to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.